What is up, everyone? This is your boy Mark for Savage Marketing Hacks, your lifestyle freedom fighter. And today we're going to dive into 3 lost funnels, and we're going to talk about network marketing secrets. So let's dive right in. So I made a little PowerPoint, and I want to bring you guys through. Maybe you have some questions. Maybe you don't even know what a freaking funnel is. Well, I want to explain to you a little bit about what a funnel is and how it can benefit you in any opportunity that you have, especially affiliate marketing, network marketing, multi-level marketing, direct sales, or even brick and mortar. Whatever you sell, you can use a funnel for. So what is a funnel? A lot of people think funnel is something you use to catch oil or to put oil into your car. Or, when I think of a funnel, I think about funnel cakes because I loved going to carnivals and fairs and going and getting funnel cakes and powdered sugar and even putting some tomato sauce on it. I could go for that right now, as a matter of fact. But what is a funnel? It's not a cake or a kitchen utensil or tool. It's a term online marketers like myself use to describe a series of web pages and email automations. Now, web pages and emails, it's pretty much that simple, but not in the traditional sense, as if you're thinking about a website with multiple pages and a navigation bar across the top. What makes funnels different from a traditional website is that the emails and the web pages are ordered in such a way that they create a path or a funnel for your customer to go through. So they're more likely to engage and actually desire what you want. Now I'm going to bust through this training fairly fast. So if you have to, grab a pencil, a piece of paper, notepad, and take notes. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause the video. And definitely if you have questions down below, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. So rather than using or building a traditional web page, which I do sometimes for certain applications, I'm a web developer, web designer, and so I develop websites for clients all the time. But I also try to encourage them to build funnels, because funnels is where attraction marketing is going to happen, where their lead is going to be captured and brought through the system. So rather than building a website where you land on a page and you have 8,500,000 choices, which is pretty true. A funnel orders the pages in steps. It's step 1, step 2, step 3. Click this, click that. It's very, very direct, and it brings them exactly where you want them to go so that they'll engage in your product or service. Now, where do emails come into play? It's not like AOL or Gmail type emails. We're talking email automation. Now, with the particular software that I use, ClickFunnels, and you can do this with other funnel builders as well, but I've found that ClickFunnels works the best for me. I do have links down below in the description. If you do want to just jump on board, you can skip this whole video, click the link, get started. And I'll also have some funnels that I'm going to share with you if you jump into my Facebook group, which there's a link down below as well. So emails and sales funnels are messages sent to keep people on track. So you can send them a day after, 2 days after, 3 days after, a week after, a month after. You basically guide them through your sales process. Even when you give people step-by-step instructions, some will still veer off course and need to be reminded or encouraged regularly to get them back on path. And that's exactly what email automation does. So almost the most important part of the entire funnel process is called what we call the Epiphany Bridge. Now, quite simply, your Epiphany Bridge story is your story with a little bit of emotion and meaning and aha moments behind it. The key to your sales success isn't about becoming an amazing salesperson or persuading somebody to buy something because you have a great product. It's literally about storytelling. If you learn how to tell stories, you can literally sell ice to an Eskimo. You can sell anything to anyone. Now, it's about telling your story in a way that people can relate to it. It's so that they have the same type of epiphany or aha moment that you had. Now, when they do have that moment, that same epiphany that you had, they're more likely to sign up for what you signed up, or to buy what you bought, or to buy what you're actually presenting them. So that, remember that, the Epiphany Bridge, and this is kind of a picture of what it looks like. You talk about your story, your backstory, kind of your history. It's emotional. You talk about maybe even some failures, some roadblocks. You hit the wall, but you're continuing to journey forward. And then you had this moment where this product or this service came into your life, and it was like the light bulb went off. And then you developed a plan on how to implement it. And then you maybe hit another conflict, and that's where emotional triggers happen again, and emotions arise. And then either there was a transformation or there was an achievement to a desired purpose. And there'll be tons of more in-depth training on the Epiphany Bridge as we move forward in our series of videos, but I wanted to kind of give you the gist. And we're going to cover briefly the 3 lost funnels. Now, again, if you are new to funnel building, I'll have some share links down below where you can literally click it, and if you have a ClickFunnels account, you can import it right into your ClickFunnels account and start editing it. Or if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, when you click that link, it'll bring you to a page that says, hey, grab your 14-day free trial, get this share funnel directly imported into your new account, and then you have 14 free days to kind of play with it and see if it fits your lifestyle, see if it's something that you dig or not. So let's talk about the bridge funnel real quick as we begin to wrap this brief training up. The bridge funnel is a way for you to act as a bridge. Now, this is, we're talking about network marketing in this particular circumstance. So it's a way for you to act as a bridge between the prospect and the company you're representing. So, for instance, a lot of times network marketing or direct marketing or MLMs don't necessarily allow you to promote their direct website to prospects, or on Facebook ads or Google ads, or, promote it out, loud on social media. So what we like to do, marketers, is we like to put something in front of that offer. So this would be considered the bridge funnel. The bridge funnel basically could have a picture or a video of you. Maybe you're offering something for free, maybe a PDF or a guide or a checklist of some sort. And the bridge funnel mimics almost like a 3-way meeting. Like if you were to jump on a call with you, your sponsor, and a prospect, that sponsor that you're on that call with, or that your leader, your upline leader, would act as that bridge. You kind of just sit there and and just agree as your mentor or your upline kind of does the work for you. That's kind of what the bridge funnel does. It does the work for you. You're on one side, the bridge funnel is here, your opportunity is on the other side. So that's kind of what a bridge funnel is. And it helps your prospect kind of go through that process. They drop their phone number, email, maybe their name, and then they go to either a thank you page, or they go to the opportunity page or an opportunity video. And we'll look at kind of this picture right now. The bridge funnel kind of looks like this. Curiosity headline, something kind of like an attention grabber headline, maybe something underneath it, a subheading or a little description of what you want to offer them in exchange for their email, has a submit button. Then it goes to the bridge, maybe where there's a video of some sort explaining what you want to offer them or what you want to present to them. And then you click on that button and it can go directly to the corporate website. So that middle page acts like your, if you're on a 3-way call, acts like your upline or your mentor. And let's go into the next one, the home party funnel. It's one of the coolest funnels that I've used in the past. It's a really cool funnel for network marketers because it acts just like a home party. A lot of network marketing companies, you like to have home parties where people can all come over your house, bring food, and it's one big party, and then there's somebody who stands up in front of everybody and gives a presentation. Sometimes these home parties are really chill and really relaxed. Sometimes they're really fun, but sometimes they could be real uptight and real rigid as well. So it really depends on what your flavor's like. But it's a lot like the bridge funnel, but with more fun and flair. So we want to bring that party, that hangout feel online and create a lot of sales within a short within a short amount of time. Now, this is explained in the book Network Marketing Secrets, which I'll also have a link to down below. If you haven't gotten that book yet, definitely get that book because it gives you full detail of how to set up these funnels. It goes deeper into the ideas behind them, and explains a lot more detail about each funnel as well. So the home party funnel is basically like an online hangout. A lot of times we'll do Zoom calls or we'll do a Facebook Live, but the home party funnel, you can make it evergreen, so it kind of stays up indefinitely. So let's go into the picture, what the home party funnel looks like. Same first page. It's a welcome, kind of a headline, what you're going to offer them. You grab their email, they click submit, they go to the Hangout. Sometimes the Hangout could say starting in 5 minutes, or it'll give them a timer of when it's going to start. And then they click, and within that video or that webinar, you can say, click the button below and you'll be taken to, and then the next page will give them that offer or give them that service that you want to provide for them, or maybe even a discount, or maybe an extra bonus that you have for them. And then they can go to the corporate website to sign up if they'd like to. Hotel meeting is another lost funnel, something that we've used in network marketing for decades. Hotel meetings, I remember being in a part of other network marketing companies where we had to go to a hotel meeting every single week. And that can get a little tedious, especially when life takes over and you're really busy with a family and kids. Sometimes you're not able to go to a hotel meeting, but the hotel meeting funnel is able to kind of bring across the same idea, and you'll always be able to have it online. It works 365 days a year, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It never sleeps. It's your salesperson that never takes a break. And this is our last of the three secret funnels that I wanted to kind of bring to your attention in this training. It's actually, again, one of my favorite funnels, and in the book, Network Marketing Secrets, it goes into a ton more detail of what the hotel funnel is all about. But to give you a gist of it, I want to show you this picture. There's a registration page where they can submit their name, email, phone number if you want. They click submit. Then they go to a countdown timer. 24 hours left until the webinar. Save your information here, or share this with a friend, or maybe there's some social media links, and it gives a confirmation information on that page. And then there is the webinar. So maybe your email autoresponder will send them a reminder saying, click here to go to your webinar. It's starting in 5 minutes. They'll go to the webinar page. This is where you'll either have a live demonstration, or you'll have a pre-recorded demonstration. And within your pre-recorded demonstration, you're going to be telling them your Epiphany Bridge story, your aha moment, how these products or services completely changed your life, the benefits that they've brought to your life. Then you're going to say, click below to get yours, or click below to find out more information on, maybe, the next page. And they click that, and then they're brought to the final page. Final page could actually offer them, could show them the final kit, for instance, or the final packaged service. And then, most likely if they went through the entire webinar and they're on that last page, they're going to want to buy, or their curiosity is so, they're so intrigued by what you said, they're going to want to learn more. And remember, in the very, very beginning, you captured their email, maybe their phone number, their name. So you have that information to follow up with them. Maybe they didn't get your offer, but you have their email now. So I think out of all of this, one of the most important things, aside from the Epiphany Bridge story, is building your email list. Whether you have people that join your team or not, as long as you build that email list, down the road, there's a very, very likely chance that they will join your team if you keep adding value to them, and you keep checking up on them, and you keep, kind of just partnering with them along the way and kind of guiding them through your funnel process. Last but not least, I want to give you guys just a quick little bonus. This wasn't planned, but I decided to throw this in last minute. How do you get traffic to these said funnels? Well, there's a lot of ways. Actually, there's 10 ways we've compiled, and a lot of this information was taken from the book Network Marketing Secrets, which I strongly encourage that you grab a copy. It's a free book. Russell paid for it. He's giving it away. All you got to do is click the link down below, and it will be sent right to you, I think, within 7 days, 7 to 10 business days. How do you get traffic to your funnel? Well, number one, you can stick it in your email signature. Do you ever see an email come across and it says, Joe Schmo and your website and the phone number and email address, and then maybe they have a little quote where you can stick your, hey, come check out this free guide that I'm giving away with the link, and then I'll bring them to one of the 3 funnels that we talked about. Instagram bio. Every Instagram account has a area where you can stick a link in there, and you can put in the description, hey, click down below if you want to learn more about such and such. Your own Facebook group. I strongly encourage, if you are building an opportunity, build out a Facebook group. It's one of the fastest ways for you to grow and for you to build a community around your brand, around your service, around your product. Other people's groups. So if you have somebody that has another bigger group, partner with them. Ask them if you can get a shout out, if you can get a featured post, if you can get tagged or pinned up on the announcements for a day or two to bring attention to your product or service. Pinterest pins or blog posts. If you're a blogger, the more blogs you post, the more you're going to rank within certain search engines. So that's definitely an awesome thing to do. SEO, search engine optimization, works along with websites and with blogs. The more you post, the more backlinks you have, the more people take your link and post it on their website, the faster you're going to bump up that ladder. Guest posting on other people's websites. You can go to a host of websites out there and request a guest post. As long as you're providing value and you're not salesy and you're not pitching like crazy. If you have like a list of things or a guide or a how-to that you want to get across with lots of value, 9 times out of 10, they'll let you leave a link to your service or product down in the bottom of that particular article that you're writing. Podcasting is another one. I've recently started a Savage Marketing podcast that I'm starting to gather some more content to be able to roll out on a weekly basis, and I want to eventually probably get to every couple days. I know some guys are doing a podcast a day. That would be incredible as long as we had enough value to share. But podcasting, you can always bring a call to action in your podcast. Hey, go to thisandthat.com and see my free product that I'm giving away. The first 10 people who get this will get this. You can offer bonuses like that. And then finally, last but not least, what you are watching right now, which is a video. Videos are one of the greatest ways to get across your message and to bring attention to your service, your product, your brand, your company. YouTube channels are awesome, and there's a couple other different platforms out there that you can jump on and record videos, and you can leave links in the description, and always draw attention to your links in the description. Tell people to comment, tell people to give you feedback, and that's a great way to keep engagement up. So that's about it, guys. I wanted to just bring this to you today. Hope you guys found value in this video. If you haven't done so, definitely click subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the bell notifications so you get videos every time we launch them. And let us know in the comments if you found value in this. If you do want to start a free trial of ClickFunnels, click the link down below. I highly encourage you, if you're in network marketing, direct sales, MLM, buy the book or get the free book, Network Marketing Secrets by Russell Brunson. It'll explain everything I just talked about, plus so much more. I read the entire thing in probably an hour and a half. I just dove through it. I just consumed it as fast as I could. Great information. I'm probably going to go through it 2 or 3 more times, but that's about it. You guys stay freaking awesome, and we'll see you all in the next video, and hopefully our Facebook group. See you later.